Introducing Bitrix24 CoPilot. Unleash the power of AI for business success. Bitrix24 CoPilot is the ultimate game changer for companies seeking growth and efficiency through artificial intelligence. With Bitrix24 CoPilot by your side, you can work smarter, not harder, and embrace the future of business. Bitrix24 CoPilot offers capabilities in feed, tasks, CRM, and integrated into the Bitrix24 chat. It's like having a virtual teammate that never sleeps. One of the most impressive features of Bitrix24 CoPilot is its ability to save chat history and remember the context of your questions. You can easily pick up where you left off in the previous chats, making collaboration a breeze. Just keep in mind that the context limit is 50 messages, so make sure to stay within the range for optimal performance. Privacy and data security are of utmost importance to us. Rest assured that CoPilot does not learn from your data, nor store it. Once you're done working with CoPilot, all data is promptly deleted. Questions and answers are only stored in the chat history, which you can clear at any time to remove the data completely. If you ever feel like exploring different AI models, you have the option to install the app from the market and choose the one that suits your needs best. Flexibility and customization at your fingertips. Remember, you're in control. If you ever wish to deactivate Bitrix24 CoPilot functionality within your portal, you have the power to do so. We believe in empowering the user to tailor their experiences according to their preferences. It's important to know that there may be some limitations on the number of frequency of word requests and certain restrictions based on your location. But don't worry, there are plenty of options to upgrade and unlock even more potential with Bitrix24 CoPilot. So, are you ready to unlock the true potential of your business with Bitrix24 CoPilot? Let's embark on this exciting journey together.